Hi, this is Lauren DeLong with York Nordic, and today we're going to go through how to take your folded traveler walking poles and shorten them. So say you have a pair of poles that maybe go from 95 centimeters to 115 centimeters and you need them just a touch shorter. What you can do is remove one of the sections in the pole, which essentially makes the poles a little bit shorter. So we're going to go through that, and in order to do so you'll need a set of scissors, some needle nose pliers, and a pen. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first step in the process is to take the bottom section, so the first intersection point above the tip, and we're going to pull that apart, exposing the bungee and the hole that the bungee goes through. And we're going to cut that bungee, so you can grab your scissors, cut the bungee, and what that does is it releases the bungee through that section of pole. Okay, so now the bungee is essentially severed from the bottom section of pole. So the next step is going to be to take that round metal black piece and unscrew it. So you can use the needle nose pliers and just lefty-loosey that right out of what it's screwed into. It comes out entirely. Now we're going to take the next section up in the pole and pull it apart, and essentially we're gonna unscrew that. So with that next section of pole, we're going to pull it apart so that the bungee is exposed, and we're simply going to take our pen and put it in there, and that's just going to create a stop so that we can get the needle nose pliers in there to unscrew that black metal hole-in piece there. So we're unscrewing that. We're going to remove that pen. Okay, so with the pen still in through the bungee, exposing the threaded piece, what we're going to do is take the bottom section of pole that has that area that you can screw into, and we're going to take that bottom section of pole and essentially screw it into the next section, going righty-tighty, of course. We've essentially just removed one section of pole, and now we're going to pull that apart, remove the pen, and allow the pieces to go back together. And the result is you have the same pole with one section removed, and it's going to be a lot shorter and easier if the other pole was too long for you. So if you have any questions, of course, reach out to us at customer service, and we'd be more than happy to talk you through this. So thanks so much for purchasing the poles, and we look forward to speaking with you.